Welcome back. Well, record-setting warmth across the area today got up to 84 in Lafayette. That set a new record, but it's all going to come crashing down as we head into tomorrow. Strong cold front's going to get here tonight, and that is going to send in a little bit of a winter chill. In fact, high temperatures won't even get out of the 50s for tomorrow. That's despite full sunshine. And then overnight lows going to be dropping into the 30s for a couple of nights to follow. So let's get a check of that satellite radar composite, and we are waiting on our frontal boundary currently taking shape with a line of showers and storms just off to our north and west, even some strong to, in some cases, severe storms across the center parts of the state and then across the arc limits where there's a tornado watch in effect for this portion of the southeast. No tornado watches for us, but still we could see a few stronger storms a little bit later on this evening. Power Doppler 3 for the most part quiet here locally. We did see a few spotty showers out there today, but as mentioned, that main line of showers and storms with the cold front still well off to our north and west, and that is gradually going to be moving towards us, or at least the energy, as the evening wears on. I think it'll get here anywhere between about 8 o'clock this evening through midnight. Both the HUR and graph model have it moving through the heart of Acadiana about 9-10 o'clock this evening. Again, few stronger storms possible. If we were to see an isolated severe storm or two, our primary concern would be a damaging wind. So we'll be on the lookout for that. But after midnight, bulk of the precipitation is going to start to kick out of here. Skies will gradually clear west to east. It'll be chilly by tomorrow morning, breezy as well. Temperatures upper 40s, and despite full sunshine tomorrow afternoon, high temperatures only topping out mid to upper 50s. And again, those winds will be coming out of the north pretty stiff, 15 to 20 gusts at times in excess of 25 to 30 miles per hour. However, those winds relax tomorrow night, and with clear skies in place, that's going to allow temperatures to drop into the 30s, at least the mid 30s for most of us. So a patchy frost will be possible there first thing Monday morning. Otherwise, nice start to the week. We are going to be looking at mostly sunny skies into our Monday afternoon as high temperatures top out right around 60 degrees. Now, as far as rainfall estimates with that system moving in tonight, I don't plan on a whole lot of rainfall simply because activity is going to be moving along pretty quickly. Most areas picking up less than a quarter or half an inch of rainfall. But of course, if an isolated spot gets underneath a heavier thunderstorm, maybe picking up closer to an inch. But that is going to be the outlier for sure. As far as those temperatures, again, we're mild, we're muggy over the next few hours, but once that front pushes through, we will be turning chilly by tomorrow morning again with those breezy northerly winds moving in as well. Upper 40s for most of us, low to mid 50s across the coastal parishes. And then again, despite full sunshine tomorrow afternoon, high temperatures only topping out in the mid to upper 50s. That's after we hit 84, believe it or not, in Lafayette this afternoon. So definitely looking at weather whiplash for sure. And then quite cold first thing Monday morning. Most of us mid 30s, but lower 30s, maybe close to or just below freezing there for Ville Platte, Alexandria on northward. And then a mostly sunny sky will stick with us into our Monday with high temperatures topping out pretty comfortably near 60 degrees. As far as those winds, they'll be out of the south over the next several hours, still kind of breezy, but once that front pushes through, they'll turn around out of the north-northwest, 15 to 20, but again, those gusts at times could be in excess of 25 to 30 miles per hour. So if you do have any loose outdoor Christmas decorations that you're worried about, may want to secure those just to be on the safe side. Showers and storms, a good bet a little bit later on this evening. Again, timing about 8 o'clock this evening through midnight. Thereafter, the rain kicks out of here. Skies will clear into our Sunday. Much cooler out there, 57 only into the afternoon with those blustery northerly winds coming in at 15 to 20 miles per hour. 60 to 61 into Monday after that cold start in the 30s. And we're still going to be in the 30s come Tuesday morning. And overall, we are looking at cool afternoons for much of the week ahead. Highs in the 60s. Overnight lows will gradually be warming up into the 40s as the week wears on. Next chance of showers and storms not coming until the end of next week and into the early portions of next weekend.